How to buy Bloom token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, further your account, enjoy the benefit. Check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. Now if you see this post from MEXC account on X, and you will be able to see, as you can see, this token, it's on the pre-market trading. As you can see, trade Bloom in pre-market trading. So I will show you how to buy this token on pre-market. Now click on this link from their official account on X. As you can see, now you can create an order by clicking here. And as you can see, this is the last trade price, as you can see. So if you want to set the price that you want to buy with, you can set it and click on buy. And if you want to set the quantity that you want to buy of that token, you can set it too and click on buy. So by that, you create your order here, and now you buy this token on pre-market on MEXC. So this is how to buy Bloom token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.